Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best car retractable visor is probably one of the most essential accessories for any car owner looking to protect their vehicle's interior from the harsh sun, and today we're diving deep into what makes a great visor, exploring its features, durability, and ease of use to help you make an informed decision for your next purchase. Number 5. BDK USA American Flag Curved Accordion Sun Visor. Display your patriotic spirit while safeguarding your car's interior. This sunshade fits most vehicles, using the rear-view mirror for support and tapered edges for a snug fit, protecting your dash from the sun's heat. Beat the heat on sunny days and keep your car's interior comfortable. It can reduce interior temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees by effectively blocking harmful UV rays. This sunshade features a flexible yet sturdy design, making it easy to set up and fold away in seconds. It can even be used on both sides for versatile protection. Installation is a breeze with this sun visor. Simply unfold it onto your windshield to block UV rays and heat. No tools are required for a quick and convenient solution. Crafted from high-grade materials, this premium sunshade offers superior durability and performance. It provides excellent UV protection and reduces interior heat for enhanced comfort in cars, SUVs, trucks, and minivans. What we like. Show your patriotism while protecting your vehicle. This sunshade features a bold American flag design, perfect for national holidays. If you're looking for a way to express your pride and keep your car cool during summer events, this is a great choice. What people say. This BDK windshield sunshade is the best one I have ever purchased. By far. It is stiff enough to keep its shape when putting it into the windshield, but flexible enough to easily fold up to store when not in use. Whatever the glossy finish is, it reflects the heat dramatically. When I got back inside the car, it was hot, of course, but when I took the screen down, the side of the screen that was closest to the windshield was literally too hot to touch for more than a second or so. Excellent sunshade, it fits perfectly in my 93 300ZX model. Number 4. Iridescent Matte White Accordion Folding Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade is designed to fit most personal vehicles. It uses the rear-view mirror for support and has tapered edges for a snug fit, ensuring it stays in place. Avoid excessive heat on sunny days and keep your car's interior cool. This sunshade can reduce interior temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees, making your drive more comfortable. Help extend the life of your vehicle's dashboard, radio, and screens. Its unique, lightweight design makes it easy to apply and adjust. Featuring a dual-layer bubble design, it offers maximum protection for your interior. It effectively blocks harmful UV rays, keeping your seats and steering wheel cool. The accordion design allows for quick setup and easy fold-away storage with a hook and loop closure. It's also reversible, providing the same great protection on both sides. What we like. Keep your vehicle interior cool and protected with this stylish sunshade. Its iridescent matte finish adds a unique touch while the dual-layer bubble design offers maximum UV protection. If you want a sunshade that is both functional and visually appealing, this is the one for you. What people say. The visor is easy to install and retracts smoothly. It effectively blocks out the sun, keeping the car cooler. The material feels durable and the suction cups hold well. Number 3. HELLOLEIBOO Car Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. Keep your car's interior protected from harsh sun rays. This shade reflects sunlight effectively, preventing dashboard fade and cracks while cooling your car faster. Enjoy daily convenience with its easy-to-fold design. It comes with a compact pouch, making it simple to store without taking up valuable car space. Crafted from high-quality composite peptide materials, it withstands high temperatures without damage. This ensures the air inside your car stays fresh. Designed to fit most sedans, trucks, SUVs, and minivans. It provides maximum coverage and protection for your vehicle's windshield. This windshield parasol includes a storage bag and buckle for easy folding and securing. Store it conveniently in your glove compartment or trunk. It makes a perfect gift for any car owner. Ensure a proper fit by measuring your windshield before purchase for optimal sun protection. What we like. Protect your car's interior from sun damage with this innovative umbrella-style sunshade. Made from premium composite peptide materials, it offers superior heat reflection and durability. If you value ease of use and compact storage, this is an excellent option for daily protection. What people say. The Car Sunshade windshield has a 360 degrees rotation axis, which can be freely twisted and folded 360 degrees, adjusting the appropriate angle to fit the corresponding car front window. This sunshade rearview mirror is fully covered and does not leak light, open for 1 second immediately shading. Butterfly frame design is fully shielded, which can effectively block the heat outside the car in summer, cool and heat insulation, and effectively keep the car cool. The 8 sturdy umbrella frames of the car windshield sunshade are made of fiberglass material, and the stable support of the skeleton ensures the durability of this automobile umbrella. The umbrella frame can bend 90 degrees without breaking, suitable for the front windshields of different cars, and perfectly fit to ensure impeccable size and compatibility. Very practical and easy to use. It opens like an umbrella and fits the windshield perfectly, helping to keep the car noticeably cooler. The material feels sturdy and well made, and it folds down easily without taking up much space. Great option to protect the car interior from sun damage and heat. Number 2. INSAUTO Custom Fit Tucson Windshield Sunshade. Specifically designed for your Hyundai Tucson 2022 to 2026, this sunshade offers a perfect, gap-free fit. Say goodbye to sagging and ill-fitting shades. Keep your car's interior cool and protected from excessive heat and harmful UV rays. It helps maintain a comfortable temperature, even on the hottest days. Featuring a unique custom-fit design with reinforced steel and Velcro, it stays securely in place without suction cups. The reflective outer layer provides excellent insulation. This foldable sunshade is incredibly easy to store. Its compact design fits neatly into your car door pocket, seat, or trunk, ready for use anytime. Made from high-quality materials, it reflects 99% of harmful UV rays. Protect your dashboard, seats, and steering wheel from fading and cracking. Enjoy a cooler and more comfortable car interior. This sunshade safeguards your vehicle's interior from sun damage, keeping it looking newer for longer. What we like. Specifically designed for the Hyundai Tucson 2022 to 2026, this sunshade offers a perfect, gap-free fit. Its custom design ensures superior insulation and heat reflection. If you own a compatible Hyundai Tucson and want a sunshade that fits like a glove, this is your best bet. What people say. This sunshade fits my 2016 Honda Pilot perfectly. It folds down easily, installs in seconds, and uses the visors to stay in place. I like that it also has a Velcro strap around the rearview mirror for extra hold. This sunshade is amazing, fits my Kia Telluride perfectly, just like it was made for it. The custom fit completely covers the windshield, blocking out sunlight and keeping the interior much cooler, even on hot days. The INSAUTO windshield sunshade is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to protect their car's interior and keep it cool during sunny days. It's specifically designed for the Mercedes-Benz GLC, and the fit is flawless. Custom fit, the sunshade fits my GLC's windshield perfectly, with no gaps or awkward edges. It covers the entire windshield, providing complete protection. High-quality material, the reflective material does a fantastic job of blocking out heat and harmful UV rays. My car stays significantly cooler, even on the hottest days. Easy to use, it's lightweight, easy to fold, and stores neatly in the included pouch. Folding it up takes just seconds. Durable and long-lasting, the build quality is impressive. The seams and edges are well constructed, so I know it'll last through many summers. Number 1. Custom Fit Windshield Sunshade for Toyota FJ Cruiser. This sunshade is designed specifically for your 2007 to 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser. It fits snugly, ensuring no gaps and providing essential protection for your vehicle. It effectively blocks heat and harmful UV rays. This helps keep your steering wheel, dashboard, and seats safe from cracking and fading. Crafted from durable 240T reflective polyester with a UV blocking coating. It's built to shield your car from intense sunlight. Enjoy a more comfortable interior temperature. It helps significantly lower the heat buildup, protecting your car from sun damage. Setting it up and folding it away takes just seconds. It also comes with a convenient pouch for easy storage when not in use. What we like. Ensure a perfect fit for your Toyota FJ Cruiser with this custom-designed sunshade. It effectively blocks UV rays and heat, protecting your interior from damage. If you own a Toyota FJ Cruiser and are looking for a durable, easy-to-use, and precisely fitting sunshade, this is an ideal accessory. What people say. The visor is easy to install and retracts smoothly. It effectively blocks out the sun, keeping the car cooler. The material feels durable and the suction cups hold well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.